The reason I became a doctor is to help people. The reason I became a surgeon is because you have that almost instant ability to heal somebody, to help them through in their life and the difficulties they're having with their health. Dr. Brandon Jenson, I'm a general surgeon here at Jefferson City Medical Group. Family and I have been in the area since 2004 when I came to medical school, stayed for residency. We've been in the Midwest for over 20 years now. I grew up in a very small town, and when I talk very small, I'm talking 1,000 people. Very small farming community in Idaho. I really enjoy more of the smaller community aspect. It's how I grew up, how I was raised, and the Jefferson City area is a little larger than that, but it still has that kind of feel to it. Even though I enjoy all aspects of general surgery and the things I was trained in through my residency, I decided to pursue my training further because I really found passion in helping people with their reflux disease. The training I decided to pursue was a fellowship in foregut and anti-reflux surgery. I've really enjoyed delving more into that aspect of the surgical care and being able to offer that to patients in a more specialized sort of manner. It's a two-way street on a communication level. It's not about just me telling you how your healthcare is going to go, what the plan's going to be. My job is really honestly to understand what's going on with the patient, but giving them their options, helping them understand their options, and in that aspect, being a team to make a decision going forward. Being able to come into the office, see my patients and see the outcomes and how much better their life has become after they've had their surgery. There's nothing more rewarding than being able to improve someone's quality of life.